I went to make a turkey sandwich, and to my dismay, there was only one bun left. And to add insult to injury, when I walked over to the trash can for something completely unrelated, wheat bread is expensive.
Thanks, Dad. Thank you. My father held on to cash so tight, George Washington couldn't breathe.
Seeing those perfectly good buns in the trash reminded me of God. I wonder if he checked the trash, what would he find? Would he find something in the trash that we didn't see as valuable? Maybe your dreams are in the trash. Maybe your marriage is in the trash. Maybe your self-esteem is in the trash. Maybe your outlook on life is in the trash. And consequently, your peace is in the trash, right next to your joy. I wonder if he'd find whole entire people that you've thrown away in the trash. Or perhaps somebody threw you away because they didn't see your value. Or maybe you're guilty of trying to imitate someone other than who you were created to be, and you ended up throwing yourself away. Well, whatever the reason, there's good news. God is always checking the trash. And unlike me, who saw those brown, buttery buns sitting in the trash, who left them right there where they were.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
He's the kind of father that'll bend over and pick trash up.
That's $1.09 in the trash.
Eat that.
Why? Because he knows what it's like to have something that he loves dearly to be discarded and rejected. And oftentimes it's the most important piece that's looked over and devalued until it's time for them to acknowledge the value that God placed in it long time ago. Here's the point. You have more inside of you than you realize. There is more life to be lived. You're destined for something greater. If you were given the gift of another day, that means that there is still something that you are useful for. Whatever goals, whatever dreams you have, they may need to be tempered just a little bit, but they are still attainable. What is it or who is it that you've given up on? I can almost guarantee you that God isn't looking for something brand new, but He's checking to see what you've thrown in the trash.
Unplug that clock, boy. You can't tell time when you sleep. It's 2 cents an hour.